Hello everyone, welcome to Fight Radio and let's explore some interesting MMA news together. Social media sensation Hasbulla Magomedov, who was earlier arrested for his traffic violation case along with his friend, granted bail but has been placed under his house arrest. Hasbulla shared a photo along with a caption stating that "Good morning, release on house arrest." The photo reveals that Hasbulla wearing an electronic tag which is used by police to monitor people's movement. As stated during the press conference for a Jake Paul vs Nate Diaz boxing match, a reporter named Derek Sullivan managed to anger Nate Diaz. Sullivan provoked Diaz by expressing his desire for a matchup against the legendary fighter Nick Diaz, who is Nate's older brother. His incident quickly made headlines across various MMA media outlets. It's worth noting that Sullivan appeared physically weak in comparison. Now once again, he had issue or called out, this time challenging the legendary musician Drake. While Sullivan may not be newsworthy within the realm of MMA, but check this out more on his stupidity.
Alright, I would like to apologize for the question that I asked at the Jake Paul and Nate Diaz press conference. I would especially like to apologize to my boss, Jake Paul, and I would definitely want to apologize to Nate Diaz. Nate, please don't hurt me, but if you do, I definitely deserve it. Having said all of this, Nick Diaz, the contract's been sent. And Drake, I see you fucking calling me out on your Instagram story saying I'm what's wrong with this generation. Well, if you got a fucking problem, then see me in the goddamn ring, Drizzy.
AndrewTate put up a video on himself training in the boxing with his coach. AndrewTate has done really well in kickboxing with 76 wins and 9 losses in his whole kickboxing career. People have been sharing a video on social media that shows AndrewTate practicing boxing. YouTubers Logan Paul, KSI and Jake Paul has been engaging in back and forth conversation with AndrewTate. People are speculating whether Tate is getting ready to have fight against popular YouTubers. What do you think about this? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment box below.